Mucus in the back of the throat, causes and easy solutions. Do you find yourself constantly clearing your throat? That sticky, annoying mucus just won't go away? You're not alone. In this video, we'll uncover why this happens and, more importantly, how to fix it naturally and effectively. No heavy medications needed. Are antibiotics making things worse? A common mistake people make is taking antibiotics for mucus buildup, thinking it'll solve the problem. But did you know these meds often do more harm than good? Antibiotics don't just kill bad bacteria, they also wipe out the friendly bacteria that protect your immune system. Without them, fungi can thrive, leading to even more mucus buildup. Instead of stopping the problem, antibiotics can sometimes make it worse. What's causing the mucus? Before we jump into solutions, let's talk about the two biggest culprits behind that never ending throat congestion. 1. Acid reflux, GERD, the silent trigger. Ever feel a burning sensation or discomfort after eating? Acid reflux could be the reason behind your throat mucus. When stomach acid creeps up into your esophagus, it irritates your throat, causing inflammation and excess mucus production. Instead of popping antacids, which can mess up your stomach's natural balance, try apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon in water before meals. Betaine, HCl capsules to improve digestion. Avoiding late night snacks, your stomach needs rest too. 2. Post-nasal drip, that annoying drip down your throat. If your nose is constantly stuffy, mucus from your sinuses may be dripping down the back of your throat. This can lead to frequent coughing, a ticklish or scratchy throat, that never-ending urge to clear your throat. And guess what? If you've used antibiotics recently, your nasal passages might have developed a biofilm, a stubborn layer of microbes that make infections harder to treat. But don't worry, we've got powerful home remedies to break through it. Fast and effective. Home remedies 1. Saline nasal rinse, the mucus flusher. A simple saltwater rinse can clear out excess mucus and remove irritants from your sinuses. Just mix 1/2 teaspoon of salt plus 1 cup of warm water. Use a nasal rinse bottle to flush out the gunk too. Baby shampoo. Rinse. A surprising secret sounds strange, right? But a mild baby shampoo rinse can help break down stubborn mucus. Mix 2 teaspoons of baby shampoo plus 4 cups of warm water. Rinse your nasal passages along with a saline rinse for extra relief. 3. Iodine gargle. Kill the bad guy's bacteria, and fungi love to hang out in your throat. Fight back with a simple iodine gargle. Mix iodine and water, 50-50 ratio. Gargle for 30 seconds every 12 hours. Bonus tip, dab some iodine on a cotton swab and apply it inside your nostrils for extra protection. Supercharge your immune system. To keep mucus under control long-term, focus on strengthening your immune system. Try intermittent fasting. It boosts immunity and reduces inflammation. Avoid dairy. It can trigger mucus production in some people. Get plenty of sleep and hydration. Your body heals best when rested. By addressing the root causes and following these simple, natural remedies, you can breathe easy again without relying on unnecessary medications. Try them out and let us know what works best for you.